So today I want to talk about my Garmin Instinct. It's my go-to watch for outdoor and adventure. It's smart enough for me, but not crazy with all those different touchscreens and all those other features and stuff that I quite personally won't use. So today my watch band has gotten pretty old and I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I was looking on Amazon, I was able to find an ANCOOL replacement band. I'm not sure if I said that company name, I'll put it right here so it's easy to search. I'll also put a link down in the description. And then, importantly, it has multiple colors, it has a great look, and it has a great feel with tons of great reviews. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this band, and the ease of replacement, as you'll see in this video, is very quick. So this comes with everything you need. It's got replacement pins and the tool to push the pin in, that way you can get it out of the watch face itself. So to do this replacement, it's actually quite easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tool and you're gonna turn the watch face towards its side, and you're gonna take the pin and push it down into where the pinhole is. What this is gonna do is it's gonna depress the pin, and then once you feel it has gone down a significant amount, you're gonna just pull the watch band at an angle away from the watch face, and it should slide out. Once the watch band has slid out, you got that first pin halfway out essentially, you're just gonna pull the watch band away from where the other pin is in the watch. You're gonna repeat this for both sides of the watch. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our new bands, we're gonna make sure we put the new pins inside of them, and we're gonna go ahead and take one side of the pin and get it into the watch face. You'll notice you're not gonna be able to slide it in yet because the pin is actually gonna hit the other side of the watch. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a finger and you're just gonna depress that down as much as you can to where it gets flush with the watch band. Once you're able to do that, you can slide it into place, and then you should be able to hear like a slight click or a pop when it gets into place, knowing that the pin went into the pinhole and has finally expanded. Once you've heard this and you think you've got it in the right place, go ahead and give it a little bit of a tug. If the watch band stays in place, you know you got it right. If it didn't, go ahead and give it another shot. You're going to want to do this for both sides, the clasp side and the band side, and then you've got your watch, new band installed. Once you've done this, make sure to save your old watch band in parts. You never know when those are going to come in handy. Overall, I've been using this watch band for over a month now. It's been in a pool, it's been through yard work, hiking, you name it, and it's worked just like the original one. So I've got no complaints and I'm super happy with my purchase. As you can see, changing the watch band was easy as that. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next and I'd be happy to do so. Any feedback is more than welcome. And until I see you next time, have a great day.